Hello everyone, welcome back to Tina Teach Grade 1 Math. Today's lesson we will be counting to 20. So how do we do that? First off, I'm going to introduce to you how to count the smaller numbers first. So we're going to start at 11 and then we're going to work our way through 20. Okay, and it's very simple. You don't need to be afraid if it's a big number. Now, number 11, let's break it down. If you, have a bunch of objects or circles in this case, the number 11 can be expressed as a group of 10 and 1. Okay, so we have 10 plus 1, and the sum of that is 11. And this applies to 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, so on and so forth until you reach the number 20, okay? And even if you go beyond 20, it's going to be the same, 21, 22, 23, even till 100 and beyond. All of the numbers can be expressed in the same logic as 11, for example. So make sure to remember 11 is 10 ones and 1 1. Okay? If we just think of it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just a bunch of ones, it is a group of 10 ones plus 1 1. Okay, it sounds a bit weird, 1 1, but bear with me now. Moving on to the number 20. The number 20 is a bit easier than the number 11, believe it or not. It is simply two groups of 10. So I have one group of 10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then another group. If we add them together, we get the sum of 20, okay? So the number 11 is a group of 10 plus 1. The number 20 is two groups of 10 add together. Now, let's do some exercises, yeah? Since we already deal with 11, let's work with 12. 12 is how many and how many ones? We're going to go back to the slide and we're going to use it for visualization. Since this is your first time getting to know this math topic, it's easier if you have something to see rather than just numbers and letters, okay? We already have the number 11. How many more do we need to get to 12? Well, 11 and then 12. We only need one more to get to 12. So we add one more circle here. Therefore, we have 10 ones and 2 1. 10 and 2 ones. Moving on to 13. The same principle, we add another circle. Now we have a group of 10 and 3 ones. So I'm going to add 10 and 3 ones. If 12 is 10 and 2, 13 is 10 and 3, what is 14? If you follow the logic, 14 is 10 and 4. Now, if you try to add them together, for example, 10 plus 4, 10 plus 3, 10 plus 2, the sum that you would have is 12, 13, and 14 respectively, okay? Now let's try with 15. 15 is 10 and 5. Very simple, right? It's very simple the moment you understand the logic behind the numbers. Moving on. 16 is 10 and 6. 17 is 10 and 7. 18 is 10 and 8. 19 is 10 and 9. Okay, well done everyone. Thank you for tuning in and watching until the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Learn today, better tomorrow, and see you next time.